So we were provided a screenshot of what looks like an Excel configuration, and we can see that we're ordering infrastructure as a service, and in particular it's a database server. So based on this screenshot, we've determined that the pricing, while the configuration of the service is going to vary by the operating system selected, either Windows or Red Hat Linux, by the database that's selected, with SQL Server being one of the options, by the CPU and the memory associated with that server, and then with the storage. So the tier of storage or the type of storage, and the amount of storage. So to do that, what we determined is that the pricing of the server is going to consist of two components. One is the server price, and one is an add-on for the storage. The server price is going to vary by zone and currency. So now the zone is mapped by the city that it's being hosted in against a table. So you don't have to define prices for each city or hosting location. We drive it by zones. Currency, self-evident. And then we've got the operating system, the database, the number of CPUs, and the memory. Okay, so 6 parameters go into the determination of the server price, which is one component of the total price. Then we're going to go in and create or calculate the storage price based on the tier and the amount, add them together, and generate a single charge. Similar processing for the add-on components. So there's an add-on component for the internet bandwidth, remote desktop licenses, and the number of VPNs to the client site. We're going to vary each of those by zone and currency, and then each by their own individualized component. So in terms of the internet, it's going to be the bandwidth. In terms of the remote desktop licenses, the number of licenses. And in terms of the VPNs, the number of VPNs to the client site. These will be charged as separate items. We're going to take the quantity, which is obviously the number of servers to order. The tariff, so we'll have 2 prices, a monthly charge, and then if they pick a pay-per-use version as the tariff, then we're going to zero out that standard monthly charge, and it'll be on a pay-per-use basis. So you still configure the whole service, but we'll be billing $0 for the server component. We'll show you how we apply the custom discounts. So we're assuming that there's a need to apply personalized discounts, like overriding the price, and some preset discretionary discounts, such as 5% off or 10% off. We'll show you both of those. And then finally, the ability to select a trial component. So with that summary, we're going to move into, I hope we've interpreted it correctly, we're going to move into the CPQ portion of the presentation today.